How to use and maintain. Hey there, dust defenders! Ready to keep your Forbes Robo LVac Voice Nuo in A1 condition? Let's go! Let's learn how to clean brushes. What to do if hair is stuck on the main or side brush. To clean main brush, press the buckle to take out the protective cover and then remove the main brush. There is a cleaning tool provided in the box. Clean the main brush with the cleaning tool. After cleaning, install the main brush back. To clean side brush, hold it and pull it open. Clean it thoroughly and then install it back by pressing it. It is recommended to replace the side brush every 3 to 6 months for best cleaning. How to use Robo as a mop. Remove the 2-in-1 dustbin and water tank. Fill the water tank with clean water. Do not add cleaning liquids, oil, phenyl or acid. Install the mopping pad by attaching the mop to the mop holder. Attach mop module to the designated slot. And now Robo is ready to start wet mopping. Open the app. Press on Cleaning Preference. Here you can choose required mode for water quantity to be used for cleaning. Let me select Medium mode. Go back and press Auto Start. Robo will start wet mopping. How to clean and change the mop. Remove the 2-in-1 dustbin and water tank. Detach the dustbin and change the water in the tank with clean water. Detach the mopping pad. Wash it and let it dry before reusing. How to clean the wheels. Pull the front wheel and caster wheel up with the help of any sharp object. Also clean the main wheels. Clean the hair wrapped around the front wheel or in the front wheel cavity. Reinstall the caster wheel by pressing it in until it clicks into place. How to clean the electrode and sensors. It's always important to keep Robo's eyes open. For Robo, it's the electrode and sensors. Here is the sensor. Clean it with a soft cloth. Do the same to charging electrodes. Let's learn how to clean filters. Open the chamber and take out the filter. Clean the filter once or twice a week, as clogged filters are Robo's nightmare. How to refill a tank. Remove the water tank. Fill it with clean water. Then reattach it before mopping. Remember, don't fill phenyl, cleaning liquids, oil or any acids. Flush the water tank twice a week to maintain it. How to maintain dust box. Open the Robo to take out dust box. It's best if you empty and clean the dust box weekly. Make sure the dust box is completely dry before reinstalling.